The brewing of beer has taken place for thousands of years and is an important part of cultures around the world. In the 21st century, the modern brewery industry faces new challenges. Changes in both attitudes and tastes have forced breweries to adapt. While rising prices of energy and raw ingredients are a growing challenge. Farm-to-fork strategies focus on making value chains fair, healthy, and sustainable, now and in the future. From the growing of hops and barley to the brewing process, and on to storage and logistics. There are opportunities across the entire brewery production value chain to improve the sustainability, reliability, and safety of operations. ABB motors, drives, and PLCs can help to unlock an exciting range of advantages and benefits for brewery facilities. At the growing stage, temperatures can be more carefully controlled to ensure precision for a more consistent end product, while high-efficiency motors can significantly reduce the energy usage and costs of running fans and blowers. At the brewing stage, high-intensity applications like mixers and decanters can be operated more smoothly using drives, reducing downtime and maintenance requirements, while integrated safety features help to keep personnel out of harm's way. For logistics and storage, high-precision PLCs and drives can ensure that products are moved smoothly from place to place, reducing the likelihood of breakages and waste while providing seamless synchronization. ABB has a proven track record of delivering effective solutions right across the brewery value chain, ensuring sustainability, reliability, and safety from grain to glass.